Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take glutathione for skin whitening. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that can help brighten your complexion. To start, oral glutathione is commonly taken in doses between 500 and 2,000 milligrams each day. For optimal absorption, it's best to take your supplement on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before you eat. Remember, consistency is crucial for seeing the best results over time. Glutathione comes in various forms, each designed for different absorption rates. Liposomal glutathione is a popular choice because its special coating helps your body absorb more of it effectively. Sublingual forms, which dissolve under your tongue, also offer excellent absorption by entering your bloodstream directly. For the most immediate and potent effects, intravenous glutathione can be administered by a healthcare professional, bypassing the digestive system entirely. To maximize the benefits of glutathione for skin brightening, consider combining it with synergistic nutrients. Vitamin C, typically taken in doses of 500 to 1,000 milligrams, is known to significantly boost glutathione's antioxidant power and absorption. Alpha-lipoic acid is another excellent addition, as it helps regenerate glutathione within your body, prolonging its beneficial effects. Additionally, selenium is a crucial mineral that supports your body's natural ability to produce and utilize glutathione. Before you begin any new supplement regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's right for you. Remember that achieving visible skin lightening effects with glutathione takes time and patience, often requiring several months of consistent use. Finally, for the best overall skin health and to maintain your results, always prioritize a healthy lifestyle, including diligent sun protection and a balanced diet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.